What is JWT? You see it everywhere in code, in configs, in error messages. Most developers can't actually explain it in 2 minutes. What JWT is, what it does, and why it broke half the bugs you've debugged. First, where you've seen it, a long string with 2 dots. In your browser's local storage, in an authorization header, in your Slack token, in your OAuth response, that string is a JWT. Easiest way to think about it. A JWT is like a tamper-proof ID card. The server signs it, sends it to you. You hand it back every time you make a request. The server can verify, you cannot change it. Every JWT has 3 parts, separated by dots, header dot, payload dot signature, 3 pieces, 1 string. Inside the payload, whatever the server wants to tell you, user ID role, expiry time, it is just JSON, base 64 encoded, anyone can read it. And here's the trick, the signature is a hash of the header and payload, plus a secret only the server knows. If you change anything, the signature breaks. The server rejects you instantly. Big myth, JWT is not encrypted. The payload is readable by anyone. Never put passwords or credit card numbers or anything secret inside it. When to use it? Short-lived sessions, API authentication, microservices talking to each other. When not, for sensitive data storage, as a replacement for cookies, or anywhere it has to outlive an hour. So that's JWT, a tamper-proof ID card. Signed by the server, readable by anyone, editable by no one. Now you know why every modern API uses it. From zero, one tech basic, explained from scratch. Every week, subscribe for the next lesson.